Greg Dalby said about this squad that it's the most fit team that he has ever coached. They came in ready for the 2026 season over the summer. He's confident and hopeful that this team will break the recent trend of Air Force soccer, and that's a mistouch. Zaw providing pressure. Gilbert able to clear it back up the middle. And there's Minzy. Kern picks it off Minzy. Army just trying to settle things down. And once again, Zaw right there, providing a lot of pressure. Mutterlack up ahead, trying to get to the right foot, taken off the ball by Guest. Put out a play, throw in for Air Force. Here's Zaw. Head Grubbs. Now Becker. Over the middle, nobody there in blue. And Army providing pressure. There's DeSimone. He's got a man in the middle, just can't quite get it past Kyle Skemmington. Still goes out. Will be Army ball. Second corner kick of the game for Army. Ronald Zai again coming over to take it. His first one went well long of the goal, out of bounds. This one playable. Pollock got a head on it. Couldn't get it towards goal, doesn't matter. Back for Zai. Zai for the right foot. On the ground, nobody there for Army. Cleaned up by Berardi. Just goes over the back of the net. Army coming off of its best season since 2022. It's year 6 of the Brian Plotkin era. He's named 2022 Patriot League Coach of the Year. Last season went 7-6-5. There's a whistle on that 3 ball. Zai hit the deck, and Army wins possession right back. Army last year hosted number 6 seed Lafayette, and the Patriot League tournament lost 1-0. Flick on. Kumbala racing a lot of contact with Anderson. Able to hold on to the ball. The referee doesn't blow his whistle, letting these two teams play early on. Plotkin really excited about this team this year. Thinks that they have a really talented group in the attacking third. They just need to string some things together. Here's Grubbs. In the middle, Aijamon. Aijamon scanning. Mutterlack. Air Force just going to reset. Ball forward, Zaw again providing pressure, couldn't quite get there. Nice ball up front. Zai trying to lead DeSimone, but Anderson able to clear it. Has done a nice job of controlling possession early. And last year, poor end to the season. Didn't score a goal in its last 6 games. But it's a very young team. Year 1 with a new head coach, Greg Dalby. Both Dalby and the players felt like that year was perfect for them, just getting the experience. Now leading to a true chance to rebuild. Room to run for the Falcons. Grubbs taking off the ball. He's still fighting. Minzy able to spin him off. Girardi trying to play it out ahead of DeSimone. Somehow it finds Bombala. Not many touches for him, and he gets whistled for a foul. Taking Paxton Segi to the turf. Bombala, all-conference player, first team All-Patriot League member last season. Up ahead, a chance for Zaw, and a great block by Colin Gilbert. Air Force creating these opportunities quickly, trying to get back behind Army's line before they have time to set. That ball went out, so it's a throw-in. Both teams with 2 shots. Army got both on target. Air Force just one. Both these teams played in 3 exhibition matches. Just get their feet wet. Both teams said that the first 10-20 minutes of this game would be throwing jabs, just trying to get more of a feel for the game. Now it's a nice creative move. It's taken away by Curtis Boozer.